I'm attorney Seymour Wasserstrom. I practice law all over the state of New Jersey, and I'm doing a lot of bankruptcy cases for a lot of people because, let's face it, a lot of people are in debt, serious debt. These are tough times, difficult times for almost everyone. And one of the difficulties and challenges a lot of people are facing is foreclosure. They've got a home, they haven't been able to pay their mortgage for maybe 6 months, a year, or longer. They're getting sued by the mortgage company. They're worried that someday soon somebody's going to come to their house and board up the windows and lock the doors, and they won't be able to have their home anymore. Well, foreclosure is a process. I want people to know that foreclosure is a step-by-step process in the state of New Jersey. And if you're worried that someday somebody's just going to come and knock on your door and board up your windows and lock you out, it normally doesn't happen that way, at least if they're following the legal procedures that are required. Foreclosure is a step-by-step process. I sort of tell my clients, depending on what their favorite sport is, if it's a baseball is their favorite sport, I say it's like a 9-inning ball game, and I'll tell you what inning you are in once you show me where the foreclosure process stands. Or if it's a football game, I'll tell you if you're in the first quarter or in the goal line, or where are you. So there's a lot of ways that bankruptcy can help a foreclosure. And the number one way is to stop the foreclosure. If we file a Chapter 13 bankruptcy or even a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, that automatically stops the foreclosure in most cases. Not every single case, there are some exceptions to the rule, but most of the time, vast majority of file Chapter 13 bankruptcy is what we prefer to do, and we can stop the sheriff's sale, stop the foreclosure, and what else do we get? We get 5 years for the client to pay back their arrears. Give you an example. Client is $20,000 behind in their payments. They can't pay back $20,000. Mortgage company says, give me $20,000 or else we're going to go to sheriff's sale. File Chapter 13, it stops the sheriff's sale, stops the foreclosure. They have a choice. We can take the $20,000 and pay it back over 5 years in monthly installments, and in addition pay the future payments on the mortgage. Or if the client can't afford that, we can also apply for what's called a loan modification. If we can get a loan modification for the client, then the mortgage company will say, if it's successful, okay, the $20,000, you don't have to pay it now. We're going to take it and put it all the way at the back of the mortgage. We're going to consider you current. We're going to start you fresh. And a lot of times you can even reduce your payments and reduce your interest rates. Some of the clients are paying 6%, 7% or more interest. Here in 2021, interest rates have been as low as 3.5% or something like that for some people. So if we can get you a reduction in your interest rate, even a half percentage point of interest rate reduction can mean a lot of money in the client's pocket over a period of 20, 30 years, however long that mortgage is. So the purpose of this video is not to give you tons of information, because there's a lot more information I can give you on foreclosure. I want clients to know that if you file for bankruptcy, Chapter 13, it's usually going to stop a foreclosure. And if you want more information, I'm here from you. I can answer your questions. 856-696-8300 is our number. 856-696-8300. We've got a website with a lot of information, wipeoutyourbills.com. Don't fear foreclosure. You can fight foreclosure if you have the knowledge and the wherewithal to fight it. So I want to teach you how to fight foreclosure. I don't want you to be scared you're going to lose your home when you have a lot of tools and benefits that you can utilize through bankruptcy, and there's other procedures we can help clients with as well. If you're in foreclosure and you need help and you want to call me, I'm here for you, 856-696-8300. I'm attorney Seymour Wasserstrom. It's a pleasure for me to help people and serve people throughout the state of New Jersey. Thank you.